Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Apple AirPods second generation. This one is Pro version. AirPods Pro. This one is new version with USB-C. Let's open this one. Here is some brochures and some instruction how you connect with your phone. This is the AirPods. Let's see what's more inside the box. We got one charging cable. It's very nice. It's look little bit different. You can see there is some kind of textile coating. This cable is very high quality comparing the last one. This textile coating will increase the lifespan of this cable. There is some rubbers for these AirPods. You can change the size according to your ear. Here is the XS, S and L, and M size may be inside of this box. You can see this new USB-C. No more lighting, so, and here is one speaker inside. It will beep if you trying to connect or trying to search. It's very similar from previous year version or first generation version. We can see side by side. Very familiar. You can see this black one. First generation had no this black one. First generation we can see in the down, but new version has nothing in the down. This is the M size. And we got one port. Yeah, we can use like to some kind of strap here to hang this device. It supports also wireless charging. Thank you for watching my unbox. Bye bye.